Hello everyone. So 90 odd days are left for prelims, right? Now this is the time now when we people are most confused. We people are most confused about how to balance prelims, mains as well as optional, right? Whether to study Hindu or not. All these things go inside our mind, right? So I will try to tackle one issue right now, whether optional, this particular optional issue, right? Whether or not to study optional 90 odd days before prelims, right? So we'll talk about this particular issue. So this particular thing, this depends upon various factors. Whether or not to study optional 90 odd days before prelims depends on various factors. The first factor is how prepared are you for prelims, right? And the second factor is how confident are you for prelims. So if you're very confident, right, then you can give a certain amount of time to your optional, right? But if you're not confident at all, then it doesn't make any sense to study for optional. I will tell you why. See, if you're not confident, so even when you're studying for optional, a corner of your mind or a portion of your mind will think that, dude, why am I studying this? I have to study GS, otherwise I will not even crack my prelims, right? So that is why if you're not confident, then what you can do is, even I will tell you what you have to do, but before that let's talk about what are the other factors. So the third factor is whether optional is related to GS or not. Which kind of optional do you have? If you have history, geography, then both of the things are going hand in hand. Your GS as well as optional is going hand in hand. The only thing which you need to do extra is to solve previous year papers of optional, which are subjective in nature, right? So all these things are there, right? Now let's talk about the bottom line. I won't take too much of your time because I will be getting, what do you say, precisely to the point. So the bottom line is what you need to do right now. For all the areas, for all the factors, you have to do one thing. What you have to do? You have to follow any 100-day schedule for prelims, and this 100-day schedule can be of any test series, vision, vision for forum IAS, insights, IAS Baba, anything. So just follow. They have a schedule. They give a schedule. You can download it from internet. So just follow any 100-day schedule for prelims, right? Which will give you a daily target. So what you do after attaining that daily target, if you have spare time, you can study optional, or you can give time to optional, or even if you get bored from your prelim study, right, then what you can do is you can study optional for some time. So this you can do, right? And one more thing, very, very, very important thing, because I have seen a lot of people, and this is my personal opinion, always make sure that you are confident about your prelims preparation, but not overconfident. And there's a very thin line between these two words. So be very aware. So study hard, study smart, and be blessed, right? Thank you.